अजीत सर, बिकॉज आज हम ओपनली आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, isn't it? प्रिंसिपल सर सामने होते हैं तो हर किसी की हालत पतली होती है. At least that was with us when we were doing our school, when we were in your grade of position. Okay, so we will have some kind of interaction. I would want to hear from you. And why I want to hear? Because generations have changed. कुछ बातें मैं बोलूँगा which you will realize कि आपने पहले भी सुनी हुई है. You must have heard from me or from others. कुछ नई discussion होंगी. But I assume कि the generations have changed, so I need to understand you. Today's talk is about leadership. Now I would want one of you to raise hand and define leadership for me. Very quickly. Yes, darling. What's your good name, please?
Umaima Fatima.
Okay, Miss Fatima. Over to you.
To put it in simple words, a leader is the one who knows the way, shows the way, takes everyone along the way.
Fantastic. Can we have a big round of applause for Fatima? Knows the way, shows the way, and takes everyone along. Is it possible to have a chalk or something to give it to? That's a very good thing which she says. But who knows the way? With full respect to you. बेटा clear cut discussion होगा, right? Osama bin Laden, he knew the way. He showed the way. Okay? And then he took people along with him. And he took people even out of the world also. Was he a leader? Was he a leader? For his own team, yes. For his own team, yes, he was a leader. Now, this is where it is Fatima and others. Leader की definition से पहले आपको definition decide करनी है successful की. What is your definition of success? I am happy to be a failure, but to have a clarity. Rather than being successful like Osama bin Laden. He was successful in his attempt, right? But do we love him? A true leader is about the word L goes. One who knows about love. One who knows how to listen. Who to listen? Listen to the call of God. Listen to everybody and then to make up your mind. आप लोग की एज कितनी है? 12, 13, 15, what's your age बेटा? 15. What time did the Akbar became the king? At the age of 13 years. So age is just a number. अभी डिसाइड करना है, आपको भी डिसाइड करना है. So first L which I will tell you is about loving all, more than loving all, loving your God. आपको मेरे को आप तो नमाज पढ़ते हैं, नहीं तो चर्च जाते हैं, नहीं तो you go to temple. Yes or no? Okay, so we start with Fatima. How many of you are Muslims out here? Just the hands, please. Fantastic. How many of you follow Hinduism and you follow Lord Krishna and Rama? Fantastic. How many of us, like me and Ajit sir, follow Christianity? Fantastic. Okay? Now, I am a Christian, my brother is a Hindu, he follows Hinduism in Delhi. What does the God talks about? Every God talks about love. A true leader believes in this love for his people, for his God. Most important thing is love. And second word, most important thing is for listen. Listen to everybody. Everybody. Even the one who are wrong, you listen. Even the one who are right, listen. Listening is very important. Most important is leadership is listening. Listening to the majority, listening to the minority. Listening to the right, listening to the wrong. And then finally taking a decision as God tells you. Suno sabki, karo manki. If you are going to become a leader, you will know this person is absolutely wrong. You have to listen to him. If you cannot listen, you are going to be a bad leader. सबसे ज़्यादा आपके पापा को, प्लीज आंसर मी ऑन द फोन, आपके पापा को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? मम्मी से, कोई डाउट नहीं है, ऐसा ट्रूथ। हाँ, अब इस बात को मुझे पता है, हम सबको पता है, ठीक है। डॉक्टर आशीष को भी हर किसी को भी अधिक से पूछेंगे नहीं, इवन भी ऑल्सो। सो हम सबको सुनना पड़ता है। Whenever I give these lectures ना, everybody says sir बहुत अच्छा lecture किया, lovely, great. But my wife tells me नहीं, वहाँ पे आप अटक गए, you should not be speaking like this. You need to have the right kind of critic in your life. जो आपसे सच नहीं बोल सकता, वो आपका असली दोस्त नहीं है। Your friends will decide your fortune. Please write it. Your friends will decide fortune. So be selective in making friends. बहुत से one-liners मैं बोलूँगा, I would want you to write it. So your leadership is all about listening. L is listening. E is about putting ego down. अगर आपने ईगो को आगे रखा, you cannot be a good leader. Leadership is what Fatima had told us, taking everybody along. And you cannot take everybody along if you do not give respect to others. Ego नहीं रखना साथ. Okay? So in your life, you have to be a good listener. You have to keep your ego down. You need to be accountable. So leadership is all about giving a position. Leadership is all about somebody giving you money to this job. Leadership is all about running a show. Everywhere money will be involved. If you cannot give the accountability of your role, you will be kicked out. आप sports captain है, you will be accountable. You are accountable for good performance of your team. You are accountable for bad performance of the team. You can't say, sir, I called, but he didn't come. नहीं बोल सकते. If somebody did not come because of his or her ego, it's your duty to go put a hand. अच्छा, am I in the? You have to know the things. And now here comes the third part of L. Is you need to be the top of knowing the languages. Say you want to be successful in Hyderabad, in business world or in politics, you need to know how to talk Telugu to the Telugu people, Urdu to the Muslims, Hindi to the UP and Mirzapuri people, and English to the intellectuals. We are from the land of Mr. Honorable Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao Sahab. He knew 26 languages. So you can't afford to say, sir, I'm a Christian, so I don't know English and maybe Hindi, but I don't need to know Urdu. Galat. In Hyderabad, I can manage with my Dakhini Hindi. I don't need to know Telugu. Audible. When in Rome, be like Roman. When I go to Kenya, I thought, sir, please come, sit down. Let me tell you how can I examine you. Please sit here. I'm acting so that they understand me better. Yes, sir, please come over. You need to use a word like schedule versus schedule. You're not acting. You're trying to reach them out very well. मेरे पास पेशेंट आते हैं ऐसे मुस्लिम्स and they say very simple words, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, तशरीफ रखिए, फरमाइए आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Do I talk to the same language to Telugu people? No. So when you want to be leader, you need to champion the language which people speak. At the end of it, listen to them. So language, listen, love. These are three things of the L. E is about ego last. A is about accountability. आपको पैसे मिलेंगे, authority मिलेगी, you have to be accountable. You have to put up tough. You know the word is walk the talk. It's not easy. It's very tough. And D is about the discipline. If you are a leader, you can't be without the discipline. P.V. Sindhu, she is a leader in badminton. Saina Nehwal, badminton leader. They both are my very great friends. What time did they get up in the morning? 3:30 a.m. Please check the Google, you will understand. you will need to be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, you can't be a good leader. Christ was a great leader. Mark 1:35, he got up early in the morning, 3:30 to pray. Christ, we see him, Christ is the God. When we realize God has to get up to pray, we all need to get up to pray. And that's why it is said, early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Now listen as a doctor. I'm a doctor, internal medicine. I like keeping everybody out of hospital. If you want to be healthy, you have to sleep for 8 hours, 6 to 9 hours. 10:30, 11, you sleep, get up at morning 6 o'clock. You can't afford to say, I like to eat late night, and then I sleep at morning 5 a.m. on Saturday morning. Sunday morning I'll sleep at 5 a.m. because I was busy with the video games, with FIFA, right now I think it's NBA sessions. No pain, सुनाई नहीं दिया. No pain. You want to be leader, you need to learn to lose. When the word of leader, please write the word lose. If you think I'll be always winning, and I'll become a good leader, you're on the wrong track. Every leader loses. Every leader will lose. हारने को, अगर जीतना है तो हारना सीखो. I'll tell you why. The reason everybody fails. Abraham Lincoln, I think he failed 13 times, and it's not easy to lose. I have lost multiple times. Everybody has lost. Adit sir will tell you, our brother Anthony will tell you, we all lose. With every loss, every time we fail, the best comes out of us. हारने से नहीं डरना है. I'll tell you the easiest way. There's always a competition between boys and the girls, right? Yes, होता है आपको में? I'm better than studies. I'm better than the boys in the sports. चलता रहता है, right? We used to have this session. So we had 5 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, English, and Hindi. In my 12th exam. So I had a subtle competition with another girl, batchmate of mine. So I told him in physics I am 3 marks ahead. In maths in chemistry I am 2 marks ahead. Like this, all the 4 subjects I am ahead. 3, 2, 3, 2. 10 marks ahead. In English, so this is the way I was. In English I am 20 marks behind her. The total rank I am behind her. You get the point? So I am ahead by 4 subjects, 3, 2 marks. But in English I am behind by 20 marks. In the ranking, she was 5th, I was 10th. So I was trying to tell her, see, एक subject में I am behind you, but otherwise in everything else I was ahead of you. So she said, पीछे हो ना, बस enough, पीछे रहो. So that was a taunt. I didn't like it, but that made me okay. For 6 months, I kind of sat. I troubled my English teacher again and again. Every time I write an essay, we go to her. I have to wait outside the class for 1 hour. She will check. Again I prepare. In the evening post school I will go. Hard work. You want to be successful? Hard work is the only answer. Success, I got 3 mantra: hard work, honesty, humble. Please write it. These talks are important. You need to tell it like these points. You cannot be successful if you are not hardworking. You cannot be successful if you are not honest. You cannot be successful if you are not humble. झुकना सीखिए. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है तो सबसे पहले झुकना है. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है तो पीछे हटना सीखिए. When you use the pulley, पहले खींचते हैं. Then we release it. तो झुकना सीखिए. आपके जितना आप अकड़ोगे, the more arrogant you are, उतना आप गिरोगे. टीचर ने बोला है, say sorry to this student. Say sorry. खत्म. Teacher has given the order. Whether you are right or wrong is not needed. Respecting your teacher is the most important thing than you being wrong and right. Respecting your parents is important than you being right and wrong. L-E-A-B. L is love, L is listen, L is language. Okay? E is ego, A is accountability, D is discipline, and E is enemies. If you are leaders, you will make enemies. ये नहीं सोचना say, when I am a leader, I make everybody happy. You can't. Nobody can. Krishna had enemies. Right? Christ had enemies. Ram had enemies. Everybody will have enemy in life. So don't feel uncomfortable. If you want to be leader, you will have enemies. You will have troubles. You will have problems. Swami Vivekananda, what did he say? He says, if you have passed one full day today, आज आपने पूरा दिन बिताया है, and you had no problem at all, everything went on very well, कोई problem नहीं है, that means you are on wrong track. You are absolutely wrong track. If you are doing a good work, if you are being a good leader, if you are being a good leader, you will make enemies. No problem. Learn to coexist along with the people who have difference. Enemies is not who differs with you. It's all about taking them along. It's all about telling them what is. They can question your decisions. They should not question your intentions. Please write it. As a leader, you should be able to say, you can question my decision. You cannot question my intentions. Your clarity should be that much. R is respecting everybody, reaching out to everybody. R is respecting everybody, reaching out to everybody, and keeping your focus on your own destiny. Respecting everybody means when you lose, politicians lose. If there be a fight between two of you for a sports secretaryship or for a class monitor, one will win, one will lose. You may win, the other person will lose. When you lose, you should be able to go forward and congratulate. I am happy that you won. That is respecting somebody else's win. Respecting the failure is very important. Respecting success is very important. It is Marlena, whenever you will win, the power goes to the brain, power nasha hoti hai. It's like a toxicity. When you don't want to, and when you continuously win, no? The first thing you lose is your humility. You become arrogant. Anybody becomes arrogant with more power. Power, paisa, position, three things will make you arrogant. Write it well. Power, paisa, position. This will make arrogant. And the only thing which will help you become better and not to become arrogant is the prayers. The fourth P. Christ, खुदा, कृष्णा, इन तीनों ने झुकना सिखाया है. वो बताता है, read it well. I would encourage you to read Bible if you have it at home, Quran if you have it at home, Gita if you have it at home. Lord Rama, he at least bowed down 100 times, told Rama, please give me my wife, I don't want to fight with you. There is no doubt about it. Mahabharata, he said very simple, पूरा kingdom नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ 5 गांव दे दीजिए, we will be very happy, we don't want to fight. A good leader does not believe in fighting. A good leader only believes in taking stand. So now the S is leaders make S to है, that is about stand. You must learn to stand, take a stand. You must have always a stand. This is right, this is wrong. I take stand with Cockroach Janata Party, I take stand with BJP, I take stand. You should know. You have to use your brain and you have to know. Whenever you are in doubt, I will tell you who to ask. See, you don't know, you are not sure, right? When you read the news, this is right, this is wrong, you don't know. Few of your friends are smoking, consuming alcohol and trying to tickle you. तू तो लड़की है, अगर नहीं पीता है तो दिस काइंड ऑफ डायलॉग्स, पीयर प्रेशर इज देयर, यू आर नॉट श्योर, हाउ डू यू डिसाइड इट? आस्क 3 people who will never ever guide you wrong. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है तो 3 लोगों के सामने झुकना सीखिए, मदर, फादर एंड टीचर. Whenever you have a doubt, इन तीनों के सामने झुकना, they will give you the right answer. They will always give you the right answer. Stay away from power, paisa, position. Stick to, bow down to father, mother and teacher. And they will be very much happy to listen to you. Say, you have some personal problem, you have something related to periods, you have something related to, you want to ask something about sex education, anything. Feel free to reach out to your teachers. We all know it, parents, we all know it. We've gone through this phase, we understand it. The kind of hormonal flow आपकी body में हो रहा है, it's normal. I went and I asked, I go to a lot of, I teach students who are 35 years of age, 35, 36, 40, and I go to the old people also. So मेरे लिए बेटा 15-16 साल के आपके बच्चे मेरे स्टूडेंट हो, 20-25 साल के MBBS students are my students, 30-35 also are my students. So once I asked MBBS students, they're 20-25 years of age, they passed their final year of MBBS. So I asked few girls, and they are all church में थे साथ. When you go, people have different perception about church and temple and mosque. Have a clear, correct concept of the church, of the mosque, of the temple. So when they came, मैंने कहा बेटा 4-5 लड़कियाँ थी. मैंने कहा बेटा how are you? They were yes. What about your boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? So you don't even think about it. I told them, if you don't think about it, I think I need to check the hormones. Then there is a problem with it. Hormones are normal part of your and my body that makes all of us to grow. How to control your thoughts, which direction to go, आपके मम्मी, पापा, teachers बताएंगे. Reach out to them. Reach out to them with anything. And तीनों से if you cannot reach out to them, feel free to reach out to me. My children are older than you. I'm just like your father. And anytime you can connect with me and write down my phone number. 810-612-7475. 810-612-7475. आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है बेटा, जैसे uncle, I'm so and so from the class school. I would want, because I wanted to clarify this. I have a doubt about this. Doubt होना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अंधभक्त होना प्रॉब्लम है. You must clarify your doubts. What are the 3 things which Ambedkar taught? I think President, I forgot what are the 3 things. Educate, advocate, agitate. I think these are the 3 things. Please check it out and tell me this answer. I'll be very happy getting answer from my WhatsApp message. The 3 things which he said, that means you must, कोई भी कुछ भी बात बोले, सुनो, सुनना जरूरी है, but don't get carried away and start doing anything. The good democracy and good leadership is giving the freedom for everybody to think. आपको भी think करना है, so find it out, take the right calls. And the second part of S is smile and serve. Leadership is all about smilingly serving. अगर आपको कुछ काम करने में खुशी नहीं हो रही है, please don't do it anymore. Feel free to come forward and tell sir, I'm not enjoying sportsmanship. I'm not able to give my time to my family, to dad or to my studies. एक हिंदी का वर्ड मैं बोलूँगा, I want you to write it. That's the most important funda of life is. कुत्ता पालो, बिल्ली पालो, गलत फहमी कभी मत पालो. You should never have the wrong notion. Okay? Dr. Sujya, my wife, she's a very good worker. She's very, very hard working. She can work for 8 to 12 hours or 13 hours. Me, no. I'm not meant for that. I cannot do that much of hard work. I will work for 3 hours and 3 hours I will take rest. तो जिंदगी में आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होनी चाहिए, what you want to achieve. what you want to become. जल्दी से क्लोज करना चाहूंगा. एक क्वेश्चन मुझसे हर कोई पूछता था. आई थिंक आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड यू आल्सो. जिंदगी में हर कोई इस समय आपसे एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, बड़े होके क्या बनना. बोर हो गए क्वेश्चन सुनते सुनते, राइट राइट. मैंने इतना बड़ा होके जाना है, मैं फिर से आप लोगों की तरह बच्चा बनना चाहता हूँ. बेटा एंजॉय योर चाइल्डहुड. इस जगह में हम लोग कब तक 9th क्लास, 9th क्लास, राइट, 9th and 10th both. Don't be in hurry. How fast will you get into the 10th? How fast will you become 11th? वो रहता है. If you all like to be in hurry, you will lose the fun. जिंदगी is all about today. जिंदगी जीना सीखो. कल की परवाह नहीं करो. Planning properly for tomorrow. आज फ्रेंड्स के साथ हंसते खिलखिलाते रहो, टाइम बिताओ. Focus on 3 things in life. Study, sports, skills. Write it down. Focus on 3 things. Study से उठ गए sports से उठ गए skills. गिटार बजाना, तबला बजाना, गार्डनिंग, भरतनाट्यम, खाना बनाना. कुछ भी बनाना सीखो, बेवकूफ बनाना नहीं सीखो. एंड डेफिनेटली माँ बाप को तो कभी भी नहीं, टीचर को कभी नहीं. टीचर को सब कुछ पता होता है, माँ बाप को सब कुछ पता होता है. टेक माय वर्ड्स. आपको लगता है कि आप बेवकूफ बना रहे हो, वो अपने प्यार में आपके सामने सच नहीं बोलते, वो सब पता होता है. जिंदगी में अगर आपने टीचर की एक्सीडेंटली डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर दी, अरे वो बहुत मोटा है, बहुत खड़ूस है, he tries to be over smart, you have started going to the track of the failure. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े कागे लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गुरु दिए बताए. What does that mean? God and teacher both are standing in front of me. Whose feet should I touch first? Then he says, I will touch the feet of the teacher first, because teacher told me who the God is. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. Then respect Guru. Right? So the Guru kabhi bhi nahi. They may not talk the language which you want to listen. They may not be as impressive in English or maybe in Urdu the way you are. Maybe in Telugu the way you are. कभी भी बेटा जिंदगी में इन लोगों का कभी मजाक नहीं उठाना, गलती से भी नहीं. वो गिर गए ना तो मुंह से हंसी निकल जाती है, कोई गिर गया हो. The most important is jump to them others. Leadership is all about, I will close here beta. Leadership is all about L for love, L for listen, L for language, E is for egoless. Ego नहीं रखना. A is about accountability. You have to be accountable for money. You have to be accountable for time. You have to be accountable for the job which is given to you. D is for discipline. E is for enemies. You will have enemies. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You will do the job which is given to you. Enemies को जीतना बहुत जरूरी है. How do you win your enemies? Matthew 5:44. Love your enemies. Feed them when they are hungry. Give them water when they are thirsty. वो आपको enemies मानते हैं. आपके लिए वो enemies नहीं. He is one of those crowd. Somebody who disagrees with you is not your enemy. It is very clear cut. R is respect everybody. Okay, and reach out to everybody. S is you must know how to take a stand, smile, and serve. Serve Ephesians 6:7. Serve wholeheartedly. Smile is all about rejoice in the Lord always. Philippians 4:4. हर समय हंसते खिलखिलाते रहिए. Try to see picture of Lord Krishna. He is always smiling. He is a naughty Krishna, right? Who enjoys with the gopis and all. एक छोटी सी जिंदगी है बेटा, उसको भरपूर जियो. हारने से नहीं डरना है. What is the full form of fail? F-A-I-L. First attempt in learning. FAIL is like first attempt in learning. It's a fail. साइकिल चलाओगे, you will fall. साइकिल से गिरोगे. That means you failed as a cyclist. But गिरोगे नहीं, तो साइकिल चलाना कैसे सीखोगे? No pain, no gain. पेन बहुत जरूरी है. No pain, no gain. What is the full form of pain? Positive attitude in negative situation. Pains. बहुत आपको मैं acronyms दे रहा हूँ. When you are a leader, you will have to give talks. You have to have the right kind of talk to give it to the people who you address. Okay? So at your level, you should know how to speak in public. Your words should speak, your body language should speak, your eyes should speak, your smile should speak. So what is the form of pains? Positive attitude in negative situations. What is the form of fail? First attempt in learning. Dr. Ashish, I have done MBBS from Christian Medical College. Best college in the world. In final year, fail हो गए. फिर 6 months में दोबारा एग्जाम लिखा, पास हो गया. Good. तो भगवान न करे you or your fellow person fails. He ran and he failed. He did not become first, second and third. That's not a problem. If he failed, you go and give him a hug. You tried your best, that is important. Efforts are important. Results God will decide. Karmanyavadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan. Okay? God looks at efforts. Man looks at results. Write it down. God looks at efforts. Man looks at results. And corporate organization looks at both. They want effort, they want result. Okay? With this, I will close it up here. Beta. Any question regarding anything in life? Take my words, Ajit sir will close his ears. Anything related to boyfriend, girlfriend, leadership, sex, or anything you can ask. Okay? It's important. जिंदगी में क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तभी आपको क्लैरिटी आएगी. नहीं पूछोगे तब तक नहीं समझ में आएगा. Okay? Was this a good lecture? Make sense to you? अच्छी से तालियां हो जाए डॉक्टर आशीष के लिए. इसलिए भी मैं आप सबको चेक कर रहा हूँ. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. जब मैं स्टूडेंट था ना, फ्रंट सीट पर बैठ के सो जाते थे. और वो भी क्लासेस होते थे, आँख खुली रहती थी, तो टीचर ने कहा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They sleep off. You guys are one of the very great crowd and very nice talking to you. Take care, God bless you. Allah Hafiz and Namaskar. Any question, I'll be very happy to answer. Any question means any question.